Hello, kids. So our lesson for today is about recognizing coins and bills up to 1,000 pesos. So before we proceed with identifying the Philippine bills and coins, let's identify first the Philippine peso sign. So this is the Philippine peso sign. Then we also have another one, which is the centavo sign. So we can use this in writing the amount of money in symbol. Okay. So give this one. So can you give the value of these coins? So as you can see, there is a number one on the coin. It says one, or in Tagalog or in Filipino, isang sentimo. Or in English, it is known as 1 centavo. Okay? The next coins is the 5 centavo. As you can see on the coin, there is a number 5 that indicates it's a centavo. Okay? The word centimo in Tagalog, in English, it is centavos. Okay? Next one, we have the 10 centavo coin. Then we have also the 25 centavo coin. Then after 25 centavo coin, we have now, which is the 1 peso coin. In 1 peso coin, you can see the face of our national hero, which is Dr. Jose Rizal. Okay? And then the 5 peso coin, we have Emilio Aguinaldo. Okay? Then it also contains numbers to indicate the amount. This one, the next coin is the 10 peso coin. So in 10 peso coin, we could see Apolinario Mabini and Andres Bonifacio. Okay? So after the 10 peso coin is now bills, which is the 20 peso bill. In 20 peso bill, we can see Manuel L. Quezon. And then you can notice that the color of the 20 peso bill is orange. Okay? Then on the 50 peso bill, so it is noticeable that the color of the 50 peso bill is red. Okay? In 50 peso bill, we can see Sergio Osmeña. Okay? President Sergio Osmeña. Next, we have the 100 peso bill. The color of it is violet. Then we could see President Manuel A. Rojas. Okay. Next, we have the 200 peso bill. So the 200 peso bill, as you can see, it's color green. Then we could see the Diosdado Macapagal. Okay. Then in the 500 peso bill, it is color yellow. We could see two people in 500 peso bill. They are Cory Aquino and Benigno Aquino. Okay? So in 1,000 peso bill, we could see three person here. Okay? They are, this person is Jose Abad Santos. And then this one is Vicente Lim. And the woman here is Josepa Lianes Escoda. Okay? So that is, so the color of 1,000 peso bill is color blue. Okay. Now, let us see this. So it says here on the problem, Nilo is counting the Philippine coins and bills he saved for 1 year. Can you identify the bills and coins he has saved? So can you name the coins and bills that Nilo has? What do you see in each of the Philippine coins and bills? So here are the coins and bills that Nilo saved. Okay. So here, on the upper left corner is the 100 peso bill. There are three 100 peso bill here. So if you're going to add them, it will be 300 pesos. Okay? On the right side, right upper corner, is the 20 peso bill. So here it's color orange. So we could see Manuel L. Quezon here. So because we have four 20 peso bill. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80. So this is a total of 80 pesos. Okay. The last one, the last bill is the 50 peso bill. So here it's color red. So we could see here Sergio Osmeña. So now, do you think, can you tell me the total amount of money that Nilo saved? So we have 300 plus 80 plus 50. So what is the total amount? Yes, it is what? It is 430. So 430, you could write it in words, or just like what we saw earlier, we could use, we could write it in symbol using the Philippine peso sign. So write the Philippine peso sign and the amount, which is 430. So that's how you write it. Then you could put a decimal point and then put 20 to indicate that there is no centavo. Okay, so this is how you write the 430 pesos. Okay, so here is summarization of the color of each Philippine bills. So for the 20 pesos, it's color orange. For the 50 pesos, it's red. For the 100 pesos, it's violet. For the 200 pesos, it's green. For the 500 pesos, it's yellow. And for the 1,000 peso bill is blue. Okay, now let us do some exercises identifying the amount of each coin. Okay, this one. Can you tell me the amount of this coin? Yes, it is. Wait, let us. Okay, so it is 5 pesos. The next one. So, okay, so it is 1 peso. As you can see on the coin, okay, you can see the number on the coin. So the next one is the 10 pesos. Okay, here, the next coin is 1 centavo coin. Then we have here, the next one is the 5 centavo coin. Then we have the 10 centavo or 10 centavos. Then we also have the 25 centavos. Okay, so I think next one is the bills. So let's identify the bills. So this one is the bills in the Philippines. So the number one is 50 pesos, color red. Next one, the 200 pesos. The third one is the 1,000 pesos. Then we have 500 pesos. Then we have 100 pesos. And then we have 20 pesos. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.